Hey everybody, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. We post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. We are a vlogging family, and tonight we are going to go over Boxycharm. It showed up today. The IPSY also showed up, so we're going to record that video right after. If you want to check that out, I will be loading them both up tomorrow. Well, I guess when you see it, it'll actually be today. Anyway, so let's get into this Boxycharm. Yay! So the first thing I see here is Dose of Colors palette, Sassy Sienna. Looks beautiful. Wow. This is a five pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. $32 regularly.
Oh, hey, you do.
Oh wow, it looks beautiful. Oh, you want to swatch it? That's nice. Let's see if I can show you. These colors look really nice. I don't have anything from this brand. It's kind of surprising, but I don't, so I'm pretty excited about this one. I feel like you can make some beautiful stuff with this.
Okay,
Oh, you want to swatch another? Okay.
Wow, I like it.
Let's see, let's put some on you. This is a brush we got from the Boxy Luxe. Here, Mama, do it. I know this isn't a blush, but let's just pretend. Oh, yes, girl, that's your color.
Well, Tita, try it.
Okay, here, you can use this brush. Put that back. Okay, sit right here.
Whoa, Mama.
This right here.
Okay. Mama.
You want to look in the mirror? Oh, yeah, that's pretty.
Whoa.
Let's see what else we've got here.
Okay.
Okay, you want to hold the brush?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Hank and Henry. And I love Hank and Henry so much. I follow him on Instagram. And he always comes out with stuff, and I super want it, like his highlighters, but I have not gotten anything. Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. I feel like I'm just so not cool to even say these things.
What?
Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. It's just a mascara, so I think it's like a double mascara kind of thing. $19 regularly. Let's open it up and see. Oh, leave those. Put that down. We'll open that next. Sit down, please.
Sit down.
Okay, thank you. Are you just excited?
Yes.
I know, you can't help it. Wait, Mama's going to open it. So it's just a mascara. Black mascara. And the Boxy Luxe that I just got, it was a brown eyeliner, felt eyeliner. So I don't know. It has like this small end and then a regular mascara end. So let's see what exactly. The dual wand application is designed to work with the formula for adding volume and length.
Wait.
Sounds good to me because I need both. Let's see, since she's already pulled them out. So 24K Gold Go-To Beauty. It's a 24K Gold sheet mask. Benefits of gold: anti-wrinkling, skin firming, lifting, hydrating, repairing. So you got two of these. It says single use. And sit back, please. Let's see, these retail for $19.98. I don't think I would have gotten them otherwise, so I mean, I'm interested to try it out, but thank you. It's not something I would have went and picked on my own. Oh, you're welcome, son. Give your skin what it craves with these easy to use sheet masks. Guess it's just a basic sheet mask. I don't know. I don't regularly use them. I used to though. The next thing we have is Mellow Tinted Gel Brow.
G-Y-N-T-O. Oh, yeah.
I think it's B-I-N-G-O. Achieve effortless, tamed, and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. Lightweight, non-sticky gel formula. Let's open it and see. Put this down. Let's wait a second, please. Can you imagine what it's going to be like when all three girls are into makeup? I mean, if they are all into makeup. It'll definitely be interesting. So, oh, awesome. And it's brown. So, well, you can't really tell that it's brown, but it's brown, so that's awesome. And I actually love brow gel. I normally use MAC. Sit, please.
Okay, I said that.
Or Benefits. I like the Benefits one also. This is regularly $16. Did I say that already? It's $16. I'm definitely going to use this, and I'm happy about this one. I mean, I'm going to try the mascara out because why not? But, you know, I don't know about the masks. I think I might send the masks to my friend Jessica because I think she'd love them. Did she open this while I was, like, not looking? Did y'all see her open it? Sit down, please.
Hey.
Just wait a second. Did y'all see her open this? Because it feels all, like, sticky, or not sticky, slick. It's a brush, a makeup brush.
Makeup brush.
So this is Prep Set Glow. Looks super glittery. Hold on, you can see some makeup in a minute. You want to see this for a second?
Yes.
Okay, I'll hold it. So this is regularly $29. It's actually a pretty big bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That is very powdery. Extremely powdery. Okay, so this is 4.22 fluid ounces. Pretty big. It's like, this is a good sized bottle. I'm pretty excited about this because I normally use MAC or the Too Faced, like rainbow unicorn glitter one because I like the sparkles. But they're both almost out, so I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, thank you. We're gonna send these to Jessica. Yes. Okay, hold on, please. So, I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, let's see how much it totaled. 32, 29. Never was good at math, so let's keep it real here. Okay, so the box altogether totaled $115.98. I think this box costs like $20 a month, right? So, I mean, you got some pretty great stuff for $25. I will definitely use all three of these. Bless you. Sit down, please. I will definitely use all three of these. I'm really excited about this. Let's spray it and smell it.
Mimi.
It's a light mist. It doesn't have a bad smell. It kind of has a very perfumey smell.
Mimi.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay. Okay. Let me spray it close up so I can see. Oh yeah, it's definitely
Mimi, I want.
Okay. There you go. I don't know. I mean, oh yeah, you can see some shimmer flakes. I mean, and obviously.
Mama.
Okay, but you already have some. Look at your face. It looks like you got beat up. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty excited about this, except, you know, I mean, it seems really powdery. Please sit down.
Okay.
And I think my friend Jessica would really like these masks. So I'm going to send them to her because I'm putting a little box together for her. So that's awesome. Do you want to show everybody your makeup that you have on your face? Here, I don't want you to spray this in your eye. Let's show everybody your makeup. Come here.
Oh, do.
Oh, is it pretty? Yeah, do you love it?
No.
You don't love it? I can't tell. So all in all, I'm really happy with the box. I'm going to use all these products. Even if I wasn't going to send the masks to my friend, I would still probably end up using them at some point because I do love skincare. And no thank you. And I definitely need the skincare. But I think she'll really enjoy those. So that's awesome. Do you want to tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Bye. Okay. So if you haven't already, since we're ending this one, We are also going to upload our IPSY, so if you want to check that one out, make sure you check that one out. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good